Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs, and I'm up in my garden and I am harvesting this beautiful yarrow, Achillea Millefolium. I think I'm saying that right. But basically, the Latin name refers to all of these mini foil, all of these like separate little feathery leaves. And Achillea, I think it's because of being named after Achilles, who in history or mythic history used this plant for soldiers. So yarrow is one of my favorite herbs. It has many medicinal purposes. So I'm going to just clip some right now, and it's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but I'm going to try. So when I dry my herbs, I'm going to come down a few inches and cut. And then, since I'm doing this one-handed, I'm going to pick the herb up and I'm putting it in the paper bag. And is there any more? And I am going to dry, well, I guess I'll put like fill half the bag with flowers because I don't want to make it too full. And then I'll just fill up another bag. But yarrow is my favorite herb for, actually, I mean, I like it so much for so many reasons, but I would say my favorite use is the diaphoretic use. It's the sweating ability. It causes you to sweat when you drink it hot. And sweating is really important for removing toxins and also raising the body temperature to kill bacteria or virus. So you can do this preventatively, not necessarily waiting until you have something in your system, but to just as like a tonic, where you would tonically drink this tea super hot. I mean, you have to be really careful so you don't burn yourself. But you're sipping it, and I'll sit in a hot bath too to make my body temperature even hotter. And then as you're sipping and sipping, after about a cup, you will start to perspire. So I only do this I'll do this about 20 minutes. And you don't want to overheat. You have to use common sense. I mean, there's so many things now. We have to put so many warnings on everything because it seems like people don't have common sense. But when I don't like it anymore, when it feels like, all right, I'm hot enough and I've been sweating, then I turn on the cold water and I close my pores with the cold water to keep the heat in, which will help me to continue perspiring when I get out of the tub. But the coolness of the water cools me off. So I usually don't do this in the summer. I do it in the winter when I really feel like I need that cleansing. In the summer though, I like to drink it tonically for just to kind of like strengthen and tone all of my internal organs, because it has that ability. So this is my beautiful yarrow. I'm gonna stop right here, and I'll probably make another video another time facing me with more information on this plant because it's just so amazing. As I scan across my garden, it needs weeding.